Alright, hi mga future viewers, hi mga naks, this is Mama, and today is Friday, so I'm supposed to go to the office for my RTO, pero sige ulan, very hangin siya sa Lapu-Lapu, but for sure sa Cebu is magbaha. It's pero ganina ka naghangin siya and nagtaligsik. So moto, I was ready already and decided not to go to the office today. Kay makuan mulangoy si Brewski, your first brother, your eldest brother. So this is Brewski. Look, that's Brewski. Very guapo. So, nagdodok ko at maatub ako sa office. Yan ako friend from Cebu City na dili. Kay last Tuesday? Is it Tuesday or Monday? Kay nagbaha dito. And nanglangoy ang mga sakyanan. At sakyanan pa ganina ako, di ko kabaw mo langoy. May nakita ang arwana dito. So, moto, din ako i-rest. Piti na lang po. So, asa ko mag-work karon? Ha? Wadto ko dangkit. What do you think? Huh? Tell me, why you playing? So dead. Gubutas balay. Sorry, the house is so messy. Nalimpyo ko and gitapol ko. Moto. Bye. Bye.